A demonstration of the Neslab Thermoflex 3500 air-cooled refrigerated recirculating chiller. It has a temperature range of between +5 to +40 degrees C, a cooling capacity at 20 degrees C of 3,500 watts. The reservoir volume is 1.9 gallons with a pumping speed of 4 gallons per minute at 60 psi. It is powered by 200 to 230 volts AC, single phase, 11.9 amps. First thing I'd like to show you is the flow rate. We have our little test setup here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this up to 60. Ooh, a little bit more. A little bit too much. And if we look right at it, we are about 4 1/4, which is above spec. So that's very good. This is a nice strong pump. The controller is one of the simplest ones I've seen. It's wonderful. The manual itself has instructions on how to use the different modes, but for purposes of our demonstration, we're going to show you how to change the set point. Now, if we push mode, you'll notice that it's blinking, and SP stands for set point. Again, this has a range of from +5 to +40. So first we're going to heat it up, and we're going to go all the way up. Now once you get to your set point, you press enter, and there you go. Now this will start to go up in temperature very shortly, so we'll come back in a little bit and see how we're doing. Up to our maximum temperature of 40 degrees C. We have a calibrated temperature probe here that we're just going to check with real quick. Also gives me a chance to show you, this is nice. Instead of having to use a funnel, they have a funnel built right into the reservoir. So outside we're about 24 degrees. Let's see if we get here. Not bad. 39.8. So this is very good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go down to our lowest temperature. And here we are at 5, and we're going to let that run for a while. Well, let me show you something else here in the back though. Very, very simple. This is your supply line. Ooh, it's nice and warm. This is your supply line, this is your return, and this is your drain. Also up here, we have a bypass valve, and what this allows you to do is vary the output pressure as well. You can go clockwise, you can increase the pressure. Counterclockwise, it will decrease the pressure. Oh, as you can see, we're already on our way down. So we'll just come back in a few minutes and see how we're doing. Almost all the way down, but while we're waiting, we also test the system for load. It's rated 3,500 watts at 20 degrees C. Actually, we hook up 2 of these setups together, and I tested this system for 2.5 hours at 3,800 degrees at 20 C, and it had no problem whatsoever holding that temperature. We move back around to the front. Also, when you need to blow out and clean the condenser, this comes off real easy. You can blow this out, vacuum it out, and this snaps back on. Nice and easy. There we go. Okay, we're just about down. This says 4.3, this says 5.3. There's a little bit of difference between this probe and that probe, but we're down in temperature. Now, I'm going to reset this, and we'll put this back up to room temperature. Oop. There we go. Now very shortly this should start going back up to room temperature. Very, very easy to set up and operate. Easy to connect up. The fittings are very accessible. And this completes this demonstration.